amazing the world. Amazing Thailand.
We are Tour Monkey. We are in that Tour and the Changmu. Are you ready? Okay. Let's go.
Now we are the viewpoint 12 kilometers. Hill from water sea level 824 meters. You can see Megan and Megan almost. Beautiful. If you take you to the Tung and the Changmu, it takes tourist important attention. Option right. There is the distance 35 kilometers. Take time 30 minutes. View beautiful. Forward. Okay. Copy man. Thank you, sir. Hello, and already going to and you see behind this is the symbol of the path on left is restaurant, information and souvenir. The path on right is coffee shop and Tour garden. It is beautiful. Take picture. I can interview. Yes. How do you know her? How do you know her? I'm for the 9th time in Thailand. I was here before already. What are you impressed of here? It's a very nice place. It's really hot. Very hot. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. And we'll go to Tour garden. Follow me.